Hello everyone, I am presenting a sentiment analysis tools using the custom TK-Inter and the machine learning model. This project is sentiment analysis tools built with a logistic regression ML model trained on the text data, a TF-IDF vectorizer to convert text into number. So the custom TK-Inter GUI that provide a user-friendly interface. The tools takes a user input, for example, I like a pizza or I jumping from the building, and predict the sentiment from each sentiments, whether it's positive, negative or neutral. So first one, importing all libraries. So first import joblib. Joblib is used to load machine learning model and transformer saved earlier. Then for custom TK-Inter import. Custom TK import a modern customizable wrapper around TK-Inter that gives a nicer looks and feel for GUI. Then load pre-trained model. Load three important components saved from your training pipeline. First one is that convert text into numeric features using TF-IDE. Then train logistic regression classifier to predict sentiment, and third file convert the numerical output of the model back to readable class names like a positive or negative. Then define a text cleaning function. This function convert all characters to lowercase, remove punctuation, special character, keeps only letter numbers and spaces. This ensure consistency with the data used to train the model. Then set up the GUI theme and main window. This sets the dark mode and the blue theme. Using custom TK-Inter, create a main application window title sentiment analyzer tool with 700 into 600 pixel. Then add GUI component, a big bold label at the top of window for the app title. Then input field, a text box where the user type in the sentence for analysis. After that, scoreable frame for result, a scoreable frame to display result. It's usable for long input with many sentences. Then list to keep the result label. A Python list is store dynamically created result label so they can create it the later. Then define the utility function. It's clear previous result, loops through all existing result label and remove them from the frame. Clear the result label list for the next prediction. Prediction sentiment function first clear the previous result, then retrieves user input from the text entry box. Support multiple sentence separable by or. Split input on or so user can enter multiple sentence like I like a pizza. Loops through each sentence. Clean the input, convert it numerical TF-IDE format. Predict sentiment using the classifier. Convert numerical predictions, for example 0 and 1, back to readable from, for example, positive. It's working for loop through each sentence. Then color coding based on sentiment. This green is a positive, red for negative and yellow for neutral or others. Then after that, finally next display result. Then create a result label showing the sentence and its predicted sentiment. Add its scrollable frame and store its result label. Add predict and clear button. This button frame including call the predict function when clicked, clear the input box and any result. Then add footer, a small footer note for branding or credit. Run the GUI application, then use the window.main loop. This working, start the GUI loop, keep the app running and listening for the user interaction. Then the output shows in this type. First one, enter I like a pizza. Then predict sentiment is I like a pizza, non-suicide. Then negative sentence, I jump from building. Then getting the result is suicide. Then use a clear function. Then if not in any text, then show the if I click the predict sentiment, then show the please enter sentence. So this project combines the machine learning with a modern GUI using the custom TK-Inter to make the sentiment analysis simple, interactive and user-friendly. It allows user to enter text process to input through a pre-trained model and return clear, color-coded sentiment prediction. Overall, it is a great example for how artificial intelligence can integrate it into real-world application to provide instant feedback and insight. Thank you for listening.